Just always develops a personal artistic voice by focusing on joy. Beginners are more likely to think outside the box, experiment with unique color combinations, and discover their own style rather than merely imitating others. Makes creativity a joyful habit. When painting is fun, it becomes a relaxing, therapeutic, and consistent creative outlet rather than a stressful obligation, and ensuring the artists keep returning to the canvas. In short, having fun acts as a catalyst for growth, turning the technical challenges for learning a new medium into an enjoyable journey of self-discovery. The thirsty of passion in acrylic painting refers to an intense, unquenchable desire in create where the process of painting is as fulfilling and emotionally charged as the final artwork itself. For beginners, this means moving beyond painting just to create a pretty pictures and instead painting to express, feel and explore. It's about indulging in the visceral and tactile experience of color and texture to feed your creative spirit, and passion thrives when fear dies. Beginners often feel a thirsty desires to create but get blocked by wanting the first painting to be perfect. Allow yourself to make messy, imperfect art to get the creative energy flowing. The person is fueled by a desire to express a personal experience or to put more beauty into the world. Ask yourselves what subject excites you, whether it's vibrant colors, nature, or abstract shapes, and just instead of strictly planning a scene, allow your passion to guide your hand. Start with raw emotions using techniques like finger painting, quick sketching, or simply mixing colors to see what happens. The thirst is not about painting in masterpiece. It's about the joy of the process, feeling the texture of the paint, watching color mixing and experimenting with the taps and strokes. It is the inner emotional pull to create, a need to relax or express yourselves, which when strong enough overcomes the fear of the unknown. This passion allows you to see the art is fun and easy, not a rigorous test. The white canvas can be intimidating, but it's just a space to play. In acrylic painting, mistakes are easy to fix. You simply wait for it to dry and paint over it. Do not pressure yourselves with a massive project. Just start with tiny 15 minutes or 10 minutes, 5 minutes paintings, small canvases to reduce pressure. Passion thrives when you move your body and let go of trying to make a perfect painting. Don't worry about frame initially, just squeeze out colors you love and explore how they blend on the canvas. Start with simple high reward projects like galaxy skies and abstract straps and simple flowers. Use sponges, palette knives, or even toothpicks to create texture and remove the pressure of creating perfect brushstrokes. A common beginner fear is wasting paint, but using a generous amount of creator better vibrancy and texture, which is more satisfying and fuels passion. Just a few tips I am sharing. Just set up with three color or one color or two colors you love first. Add set a timer for 15 minutes, 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Just paint without thinking about what it is and let brush move quickly. And finish it. Stop when the timer goes off regardless of how it looks. Always embracing imperfection, treat your first few canvases as a visual journal where the goal is to play, not to create a masterpiece. Just a playful approach to start the colors or textures. You love to make the process fun and less scary. And just unlike other paints, acrylics or abacu, if you don't like something, wait 10 minutes for it to dry and simply paint a new layer on top. Acrylic painting is an ideal medium for beginners, often described as a fun, versatile, and accessible way to start an artistic journey. It provides immediate gratification due to its fast drying nature, allowing beginners to create, correct, and layer without waiting days for paint to dry. The medium offers a perfect balance between the vibrant, thick texture of oils and easy use of watercolors. The quick drying time, acrylic drying in minutes, not days. This means you can finish a painting in one sitting or layer colors quickly without blending mistakes, providing instant gratifications. If you make a mistake, you can simply wait a few minutes for it to dry and paint over it. This forgiveness reduces the fear of ruining a canvas, making it a great confidence builder. The versatility acrylics can be used thick and diluted with water, allowing you to experiment with many styles. You only need water for cleaning brushes, making it easy to set up. And many people use acrylics to express feeling and release stress, acting as a creative outlet to get into a flow state. The mindfulness, the process of focusing on color, light, and form helps calm the mind and offers a much needed break from digital devices. Just always overcoming the fear of the blank canvas, the versatile surfaces that's yours. You can paint on many surfaces, including canvas, wood, paper, cardboard, and even fabrics. The easy starting point just to start because they are so versatile. Beginners can start with simple project like painting abstract shapes, landscape, or using a paint by numbers kit to build skills, motivation without pressure. Always needing a cultivating a growth mindset just to keep your mind. Talent is a myth. The biggest motivation is knowing that painting is a learned skill like riding a bike, not an innate talent. Just in your soul joy of expressions and just keep it. The painting allows you to bring your inner imagination to life on canvas, providing a deep sense of accomplishment when you create a piece of from scratch. Acrylic painting is not just about making art but about enjoying the process, reducing stress, and finding joy in the freedom of creative expression. Painting is widely used in art therapy to help externalize emotions and provide a sense of calm. The confidence building is very important. Completing a physical piece of art from a blank canvas provides a tangible sense of achievement and boosts self-esteem. That practicing brushwork helped refine fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Always embracing your growth mindset, view every failed painting as a learning curve rather than a failure. Even the masters started as amateurs. Just you start small, focus on mini paintings or quick projects, and that can be finished in your heart to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Just your dedicated time is very important. Schedule a specific painting time in your daily and diary project to protect your passion from outside distractions. So it's very important. Large canvases are hard to blend quickly. Start with smaller canvases to build confidence, finish faster, and learn techniques without frustration. The best way to learn is to not be afraid of ruining the canvas. Try making as many mistakes as possible in one session to learn how to fix them. Always acrylic painting is a rewarding hobby, but its fast drying nature can be tricky for newcomers. Avoiding a few common technical pitfalls, the trying simple structured project will help you build confidence quickly. Here I am want to just share a beginner inspiration idea. The tip, just in your mind, the sunset landscape to paint me, that is the good one. That these are the excellent for practicing gradients. Use a roller to blend yellow, orange and brown. Then add silhouettes like trees or birds in black for high contrast. The textured nature schemes meant just by using the palette knife to create thick impasto textures for tree bark or rock surfaces. The sea-inspired art made just by using the brushwork, practicing flicking white paint with a stiff brush to create realistic water spray or sparkling waves. Just in your mind, floral fields means by an artistic sponge to dab on various colors for flower fields or leaf textures without needing precise brushworks.